Hi everyone, and welcome to the brilliant little backyard. Today I'm going to graft the mandarin tree on the lime tree due to the small space in my backyard, and I'm going to show you step by step how I'm going to do it. So the first thing, I'm taking the scion from the mandarin tree. So I'm going to prepare the scion first, and I'm going to use this part here. Is around 15 centimeter. I'm going to remove all the leaves, and now I'm going to prepare the scion before I graft it into this branch here on the lime tree. First thing first is you need to clean your equipment properly, so to prevent any disease from moving between trees or to infect the area where you need to prepare the scion. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove part of this. So as you can see, I prepared the scion in a way to insert it properly into the grafting point. I left this layer here. This is called the cambium layer, to be connected with the cambium layer on the rootstock. One side, matching one side of the cambium layer is enough, because this one is thicker than the scion. So I'm going to match only one cambium layer to one cambium layer here on one side, and that will be enough. So now I will prepare the rootstock, and I'm going to remove this section. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the rootstock. So I'll clean it up properly. So I cleaned it up. Now I will make a cut here in the middle. And now, if you can see, I'm matching the skin with the skin. That's it, it's very good match. Now I'm going to cover it well with grafting tape, and I'm going also to cover it with a bag, so to protect the graft from rain, water, and the weather element. Now, with this one, this is a bag. I will bag it up, but I will moist this before I cover the graft. Water inside, just to keep the graft moist. Then I'm going to cover it. So the moist will help it survive until the graft takes off and the cambium layer of the scion connect to the cambium layer of the rootstock, and then we will see new growth coming from the areas where I removed the leaves. I will keep you updated to see the progress of this graft, and hopefully next year we'll have lime and mandarin on the one tree. Please like, share and subscribe. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next video.